bend like a tree, crawl like a bug, pick up a crawdad, squish your hands in the mud, climb a mountain, hike in the woods, get scientific, it's all good.
Hey Wild Bears, it's me Atayo, and I'm here today to talk to you about an incredible and fun topic, citizen science. So what is citizen science? Citizen science is the participation of regular people like you and me in professional scientific projects. Using our collective powers of observation and analysis, we can contribute to valuable and important scientific goals. Anyone can be a citizen scientist. All it takes is a little bit of curiosity and wonder. Citizen science is the collection of data and observations from all over the world into a single place. And using this data, scientists can perform research that they would not have been able to without our help. Citizen science is an opportunity for us to participate in real and important scientific projects. And there are so many projects out there. Wild Bear Nature Center will be sharing some of them with you real soon. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.
Wild bear, wild bear, wild bear, wild bear. Learn about the birds and the dragonflies. Reach like a tree, way up to the sky. Tracks and scat, salamander too. The earth is good and good for you. Wild bear nature, see the forest through the trees. I love the wild and the wild in me, wild bear.